Hey guys, hope all is well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use a partnership buyout account. If you don't know who I am, my name is Christian Onyemem. I'm a certified public accountant and also a certified fraud examiner. In this video, it's going to be more of a how-to video on how to create the account and then how to basically explain the transactions that go against the account to zero out the partnership buyout account. So the first thing you want to do, you see I already created my partnership buyout account. You want to go to transactions, go to your chart of accounts. You can see I'm at my chart of accounts here. You want to go to new. You want to name this partnership buyout and then name of the partner, right? Put Sally. You want to assign your account numbers, usually equity, since this will be an equity account. It's somewhere in the 3,000, 300,000, somewhere that starts with 3 is what it usually is. So you want to put your account number. The account type will be equity. This is a partnership buyout. It's an equity movement on the balance sheet. Where I have here is going to be on the equity type, the detail type. Although these do not matter, doesn't affect the transactions, you can put partners equity. And then these two are the most important ones here. The as of date needs to be when the contract basically came about with the partnership and them wanting to start the buyout process. So in this case, if it was August 6th of 2024, today's date, I will put that date, right? That's the beginning date. And then the opening balance is also very important. You want to put that number that's agreed upon for him or her to get bought out. In this case, maybe it's 47,500. That's the amount that needs to be paid to the partner in order to get bought out. So you put that on the open balance. Then you will just create the account. I'm not going to actually save it here because I already did, but the account should look like this. It's equity type, partners equity, and the opening balance. Mine's is 0. I'm going to show you why. So I created that opening balance journal right there. So what's going to happen with this is these payments will decrease against that balance. And the ending balance will be 0 once it's been paid off. So that's the goal of that. You want to close out the partnership buyout because you eventually want to basically account for it, but also buy them out. This is how you go about creating that account. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, something that you're confused about, but I want to do a short, quick how-to video on how to create a partnership buyout account.